Welcome back to the show. How are you?
Good.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about this new procedure that you're doing, and it's called Renuvion J Plasma.
That's
What
it.
is it?
It's a new proprietary technology that involves tightening the skin from the inside. So it's basically an add-on procedure that I would do together with liposuction
Oh, okay.
in order to tighten the skin in an effort to avoid a larger incision. So it's for those people who are somewhere between liposuction and maybe needing a tummy tuck or something like that.
Okay, so how is it different, and how does it differ from other skin tightening procedures that we've all seen in the past?
Right. So there's been certain things out there for a long time that are just quick little procedures. You might go to a med spa for hair. Let me put this device on you on the outside, and that might tighten your skin just a little bit here and there. This is not. This is a little more aggressive a technology. It's going to tighten a little bit better. So it is usually a one and done procedure as opposed to other things that you may have to keep coming back for again and again.
Interesting. Well, everyone sitting at home, I'm sure, wants to know what parts of the body can we use this treatment?
Yeah, I've used it on the body. I've used it so on the torso, the legs,
Really?
the thighs, the arms, as well as the neck and face.
Okay, who's the perfect candidate? Let's walk through that for a little bit.
Yeah, it depends on the part of the body that you're talking about. But
Okay.
in general, it's somebody who has a little bit of lax skin that they're wanting to tighten up, that doesn't necessarily want a large incision.
Okay, I got you. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the process, how that actually happens.
Yeah. So basically, a patient comes in and talks to me in the office setting. Hey, I have this excess skin that I want to get rid of, but I don't want a big incision. I want to make it look subtle. I don't want people to know I've had surgery.
Okay.
And so we would then take them to the operating room, perform liposuction if they need it.
Right.
And then also do this procedure as an add-on to that to basically tighten the skin thereafter. And then after that, they wear some compression for a
Okay, so we still go through the liposuction procedure, correct?
Usually, yeah.
Okay, so really the downtime is from the liposuction, not from this procedure.
Usually, yes. Now, the downtime is a little bit more than it would be just from the normal liposuction alone, but the process is very similar.
Okay, why did you choose this process?
I've been looking at different pieces of technology for the last several years, and this was the one that really sprung up at me as something that's a one and done. They don't have to keep coming back. It gives the best results, in my humble opinion. And so the people that I have treated have been very pleased with it.
Okay. I know this is not for everyone, and this is not a weight loss procedure for you to think, I'm going to go and drop 15 pounds.
Right.
Correct?
Correct.
Because we are doing liposuction. I want to talk a little bit about the guys. Okay, so let's just say guys want to come in and tighten around, because this is a big problem for guys as well as they start to age. Don't you agree?
Yes, I do.
So what's the process here? Is it something that guys can do without people seeing they've had something done?
As long as they're willing to accept a little bit of a downtime, usually about a week, maybe 10 days, something like that. And that's really social downtime. That doesn't mean that they can't go about their normal lives if they can stand to be around people while they're wearing dressings.
Okay, so I'm really just thinking it truly is what we were saying before, the downtime is just the liposuction procedure.
Yeah.
What part of the process of the tightening, how is it tightening?
It's basically zapping that tissue with electricity, and it's also adding a little bit of radio frequency, so it vibrates a little bit, and that vibration and that small current allows the tissue to contract and come together and tighten everything from the inside out.
I love it. We're going to talk more about this as we go on. Appreciate all the time that you spend with us. Appreciate it very much. If you want to find out more information about Commonwealth Plastic Surgery, all the information is up on the screen. Come and see Dr. Jared Nimtz to discuss Renuvion J Plasma. Back after this short break, everyone. You're watching Midday Kentucky.